Hey guys, Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Now, what we have here is one of the 2022 Toyota Tundras. And I've got to do a little work on, a little cosmetic work. But this is the truck that's having the recall. I think Toyota has recalled, from what I've read, they have recalled about 100,000, maybe 100, up to 103. And I think there's also some Lexus SUVs that are part of that recall. Now, this is the V6 turbo, and from what I understand, it's getting some metal shavings around the crankshaft bearings, and they believe it was leftover metal shavings from when the block was machined. At least that's what I'm hearing. Now, this particular truck, it's a nice truck. It is a, it says SR5, and it's got XP, whatever that means. It says it's on the window sticker, it says twin turbo V6. Got a nice tonneau cover, nice looking wheels. If you like the blacked out look, that's not a bad looking truck. Got a nice step right here. So they were supposedly have upped their game. Check, here's another one back here. When they came out with this truck, it is a four-wheel drive. But we're hearing so many complaints. If you get on some of the YouTube channels, oh, that's nice, Diamondback. That is a nice tonneau cover. So many complaints on YouTube and on the internet of people who had their engines. They spent a lot of money for these trucks and they didn't get far. And the engines failed. The engines locked up or lost a lot of power. And I don't know what's going on right here. This one didn't close good. That may just be an operator error. But let's take a look at this thing. It's got the little stubby cam, I call it. So it ain't a whole lot of back seat room, leg room back here. I'm pretty sure that seat folds down, so it's for kids. You know, adults gonna ride back there. It's got a nice rubber mats, cloth interior. Let's look on the inside of the front. Place up here to store your stuff, and of course it's got a glove box. Nice big console, a lot of storage, 2 cup holders, 2 more back here. Pretty decent sized onboard display. These bolsters are a bit hard for my liking. It can get a little rough on your leg muscles, and at least on me, on long trips. Everybody's got different opinions and body shapes, but I'm a little wide and big, and I don't particularly care for that. Like, it can be a little softer, but that's just my opinion. Let's walk around and start this thing up. I like those tires, it's nice. X series, I have no idea what that means. It's got a tow package. So there's a step here, but there's not one back here. Curious, what's that about? But yeah, they've been having some engine problems, and Toyota's going to step up and take care of it. From what I've read, they're going to warranty you. I have heard they're putting new engines in them. I'm not so sure about that. At first, I think they were rebuilding the customers' engines, or either putting short blocks in them and keeping the heads in the turbos. But now I'm reading that they're going to replace the engines with new engines, not reman, but new. If that's true, that is amazing. This truck has 90,000 miles on it. Make sure it says 9,000 on it. Yeah, there it is, 90,169. That's a lot of miles for a 22, and it is a little beat up, a little chipped up, so it's been used as a work truck. Runs really nice. Let's let me get the emergency brake down. If I can find where it's at. Every one of these things is different, it seems. Oh, man. There it is. It helped to step on the pedal, wouldn't it? All right. That doesn't appear to be working. Oh, Oh, okay, it's not working because the door is open. I see. Alrighty. There you go. Finally, the truck talked to me. Still can't get it to work. I don't know what's going on there. Anyhow, let's pop this hood. See what we got here. Get a look at this engine. This is supposed to be the. Let me turn you off just a second. Okay, this is the engine that replaced the V8. I think it was a 5.7 liter in the previous generation truck. It was apparently bulletproof from what I've read. Never owned one, but well, she's running smooth. Doesn't appear that it's been tampered with. I don't think this one's had an engine replacement. It's probably out of warranty. I don't know if the recall is going to cover this one or not. Not sure, guys. With 90,000 miles, it may void the warranty. I'm not sure. Interesting. That's an interesting question. Will they still put an engine in this one? It doesn't appear to have an engine in it, or does it? Awful clean. Awful clean. I don't think it's had an engine put in it. I think you'd see some clean versus not clean stuff. I don't know. Man, that thing is running smooth. But the twin turbos, from what I hear, it makes a ton of power. And there you have it, guys. It's got that engine cover on it, so you really can't see a whole lot, but she's a turn on. The little fuel injector's clicking there, that's all. I think the grill's a bit big myself. It didn't suffer from a lack of cooling, that's for sure. Can't say that about my Mustang. Mustang's got a little bitty opening. So there it is, guys, a 2022 Tundra, the dreaded engine failure truck. Love to hear your comments on that. Any of you guys out there own one of these, and what's your opinions of these trucks? It seems to be mostly positive from what I've read. Even that washer box was amazingly, for a truck that's got 90,000 miles on it, it's got the nicks and scratches this one's got. It is amazing how the underhood is so clean. Very interesting. But yeah, let me have your opinions on this truck, and what do you know about the recall? Any of you guys had your truck serviced with a new engine yet, or did you get a short block, or what did you get? Sorry about that. I had somebody pull up from the dealership. Okay, so yeah, let me have your comments, and if you have one of these and had any kind of what your experiences are with these. So we need to get the word out, and I think these are probably okay trucks to buy myself. I really do. And if you do have a problem, it looks like Toyota's gonna step up and take care of it. So folks, Bob out. Please hit that thumbs up on this button. Let me have your comments on these trucks and your experiences with them. And if you got time, look at some of the other videos we got. We got all kind of automotive content on this channel. Something for everybody on this channel. Drag racing, car shows, swap meets, stuff we're working on, all kind of stuff. See if you can watch some of those and hit the thumbs up on those too. Share, like, and appreciate all you guys. And subscribe too if you want to. If you want to watch this stuff on a regular basis, subscribe. All right, Bob out.